dust collection for this guy. And came across my boy David Picciuto, and he said, "Chief, the easy way is one of these guys. Rockler." I'm like, alright, that looks awesome. Just blows up, get out of the way, sweet. Got a little clamp. We'll do that. Put it around there, put them on there. Well, this is the fine dust collection one. Fine dust filter. Well, it doesn't have enough power to blow it up out of the way like his does. And it hangs down, the workpiece hits it when it comes out. So, improvise. Right here, this is just shit was laying around the shop. One of these 2-inch to 3-inch reducers, PVC. And then a little 2-inch, maybe 2.5-inch long piece. Put some stank on you to lock them together. And then, what I'm going to do is this guy. I'm going to hook him on there. We're going to attach this here with that guy. On the other end, we're going to take this off. Maybe. And we'll put it on here. Like this here. Cinch him up. Uh-oh, I'm going too tight. I'm using that drill. Alright. So let me get this glued up. And we get this clamp on here. And it's going to look like this. Well, and then I'm going to have a plan to make it hang right alongside like that. Well, like that. Yes.
Whoa. It works. Decided not to hang it down here. It's in the way. Try to get around moving boards. So I just took a bungee, hung it from a rafter here, and works like a charm. So it's time to run some boards. Thank you, David Picciuto with Make Something. Appreciate the tip. Had to modify it. Just wanted to show everyone. One thing, I didn't have to glue that with the stank on you. PVC cement. I just took a piece of electrical tape and stuck them on there, and it holds it nice and tight, and that way I can just pop it off when I want to empty the bag and pop it back on. So simple, easy stuff from the hardware store. Make it happen. Thanks. Stick around. We're done.